How to remove background from iPhone photos. Let's get started. First, launch a Photos app. Now navigate to the picture from where you want to remove the background. Launch the picture. Now what you have to do is press and hold on the object. Now here, different options will appear. Copy, add sticker and share. Select the option share. Now different options will appear. Navigate to the option Save Image. Click on that. The image will be saved as a new picture and the background will be removed. You can see that. So this way you can easily remove background from iPhone photos. By following the same steps, you can easily remove background from other photos as well. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.